The Git ship crew script characters. The captain, main branch, the steady, reliable version of the project. The scout, feature branch, goes ahead to try out new, risky ideas. The logkeeper, Git, obsessively records every single move. The scout returns from a mission with a new map. Scout, Captain, I've finished the new feature map. I've been recording my progress locally. Logkeeper, he used git commit to launch his text editor for a full report. Or, when he was in a rush, he just used git commit added trees to skip the editor entirely. Captain, good. Is it ready for the permanent record? Scout, almost. I just used git commit and final polish to stage all my track changes and label them in one go. Captain, logkeeper, bring the scout's work into my cabin. Logkeeper, executing git merge new feature. I'll figure out the best way to stitch them together automatically. Captain, now that his work is merged into mine, we don't need that separate map anymore. Logkeeper, agreed. Running git branch d new feature to keep things tidy. The analogies 1. Committing. The save point versus the Polaroid. Git commit. Think of this as writing a detailed entry in a diary. You stop, open the book, the text editor, and explain exactly what happened before closing it to save the memory. Git commit -m. This is like taking a Polaroid photo and writing a quick note on the bottom. It's fast, inline, and skips the book opening process. Git commit -a. Imagine you've been working on 5 different paintings in a room. This command is like taking a single photo of every tracked canvas that has changed since you last looked. 2. Merging. The smoothie. Git merge. You have a base smoothie. Main. You made a separate shot of wheatgrass. Feature. Merging is pouring that shot into the blender. Git acts as the blender, figuring out how to mix the two together into one consistent drink. 3. Rebasing. The time traveler. Git rebase. Imagine you started writing a sequel to a book based on Chapter 1. While you were writing, the author released Chapters 2 and 3. Rebasing is like using a magic wand to pretend you actually started your sequel after Chapter 3 was already written. You are moving your sequence of work to a brand new starting point. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Share this with your DevOps teams